Welcome to Fort Elm Walk. We're on the Jerston Fields development on the south side of Wellington. These homes have been built by C.G. Fry, who have a fantastic reputation, but our client has taken this house to a whole different level. The fittings, the upgrades are something to behold. It's a house to fall in love with. Why don't you come on inside and have a look with me? From the moment you walk in, the changes that our client has made, I mean, just look at this fantastic kitchen. We've got every Neff appliance you could wish for. We have an upright fridge, freezer, we have a hot tap. It's absolutely immaculate. And of course, one of the best bits, the coffee machine. And of course, it goes without saying, you're not going to be disappointed when you come outside. Not only do we have a south-facing enclosed garden, but just look at this. The attention to detail. Who wouldn't want to be in a garden like this? And of course, a double garage isn't just your average double garage. We have 2 remote doors, power and lighting. It's absolutely fit for purpose, and we have 2 parking spaces to the side. I really hope you've enjoyed the tour of this property. It is something exceptional. For obvious reasons, I've thoroughly enjoyed myself. Give us a call on 01823 664 333 and we'll be very happy to show you around.